So welcome back to Night Owl Woodturning. I have the second piece on the lathe of the Driftwood vases. I'm going to mark its center. I'm planning to put the top on this side, so I'm going to bring that down a little bit farther. So now a little sanding and power sanding to bring this a little bit smoother on the outside surface, or if you can actually get this surface smooth, probably more even is a better word. I'll be turning the dust extractor on, so it will make a fair amount of noise. I'll start with 120 grit. 180 might be a bit too aggressive on the softness of the wood. So we're back with that piece. I have brought it up to a 240, a little bit of hand sanding as well. Now I'm just putting some of that polyurethane that's been diluted, cut with water, to make it a little bit thinner. Which I find this really sucks up. Draws right in. So the wood's quite dry, despite living in Lake Ontario for who knows how long. So I'll let this dry, which will fix the grain, allow me to sand it once again, maybe a little bit higher. As much as we get the outside, it's always important to get the inside finished as well. And so I can't really reach down into this crack with my brush. The pipe cleaner makes an excellent tool to get the finish down there. So I'm going to take a break from here. I'm going to let that finish set up, and I'll give it another sanding before I remove it. See you then.